Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing how I use the premix of popcorn chicken and fried chicken all through the month of Ramadan. Already I have shared this recipe in my pre-Ramadan preparation itself. I have taken 6 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I am adding 2 cups of cornstarch. In this premix, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano and salt to taste. We are spice lovers, so I will be adding more chili powder in this packet itself. You will be seeing in some time. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it ready all through the month of Ramadan. It was very helpful for me in making various recipes. Now first let's prepare chicken popcorn. For that I have taken thigh pieces cut into bite-sized small cubes. In this I will be adding salt, ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of buttermilk. That's it. Give it a good mix and keep it overnight for marination. Next day I will be just taking it and using the premix for making chicken popcorn. You can see this is the premix we prepared. I will be just grabbing 1 or 2 scoops as required to make chicken popcorn. Pull out the chicken pieces out of the buttermilk and roll it in this flour gently. Do not keep it very hard on those chicken pieces. Just very feather touch. You have to roll these pieces in the flour and dust it. If you want nice flakiness, you can give it second coat by dipping the same piece in the buttermilk and again rolling it in the flour and dust it and keep it aside. This way we will prepare all the pieces and keep it. If you want, you can also prepare it this way and freeze it. I did some of the pieces which were excess. I kept it in the freezer and used it next day. It was perfectly fine. Another important tip for making the perfect chicken popcorn is the oil should be nice and hot. In nice hot oil you should drop all these fried chickens and you have to fry them. Nicely deep fry them for 5 minutes and then you give it a stir and again cook for 2 to 3 minutes and your chicken popcorn will be very much ready. You don't need to go to any store for buying chicken popcorn, to either Chick-fil-A or Popeyes. Just at home, nice and crispy, awesome chicken popcorns you can prepare. Another tip I would give is you can also add baking powder to this premix. That will give a little different texture. It will give little softer and crispier texture. Definitely try. I did try for many of the recipes at home. Next recipe is fried chicken. For that I have taken all leg pieces, that is drumstick. I marinated it overnight in vinegar, water, chili powder and salt. That's it. Overnight marination is very important. Just simply grab those leg pieces out of the marinated water and dip it in the flour. That is our premix. And if you want extra flakiness and crispiness, you have to do 2 or 3 times coating. For that I will be using icy cold water. In that icy cold water we will be dipping these fried chicken and rolling it again and again. For this making fried chicken you have to have extra flour so that you don't keep touching those pieces. You have to just roll it between the flour and just again and again you have to dip in water and roll it in flour. That will give extra flakiness on the surface of the chicken. Now you can see our chicken drumsticks all are ready. You can use either chicken drumsticks only or you can use leg quarters or even full chicken small pieces also. These fried chicken also took 10 to 15 minutes for me for frying until nice well done. You can see how beautiful the color is and also the surface is nice and flaky. These were so delicious and yummy. Really very juicy from inside and crispy from outside. I prepared these leg quarters For iftar, you will see how nice, juicy and tender from inside. It is so well done. Nothing was raw. You can see that marination is also very important. Either you can use vinegar or lemon juice for marinating. Now next our recipe is for burgers. For burgers I have taken nice large pieces of breast pieces, that is chicken breast pieces, and I made these thin slices of it because for making the zinger burger patties, like I took those pieces in flat shape. I gave nice spicy marinade for this: chili powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, little bit of yogurt, and I also added little bit of meat tenderizer and kept it overnight. This is nice spicy marinade. Again, grab some of our fried chicken premix, and I will be rolling these pieces in this powder. You can see now this time I will not be giving it 2 or 3 coat, just single coat is more than enough for this time. You are free to do 2 or 3 coat also, no worries. 2 or 3 coat will give extra crispiness and extra layer on top, but I am going to keep full meaty flavor in it. So I have just taken 1 coat. I have just directly dropped them in the oil, nice hot oil. The pieces are very flat so that they will be cooked very quickly. I cooked only for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not overcook. They will be nice and juicy only if you cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Any chicken overcooking will make the chicken dry. The juiciness will be gone. Now our simple burger at home is very much ready. I will be just preparing the burgers by using 2 sauces over here, that is the red sauce and green sauce. Red sauce is nothing but any hot sauce you take mixed with mayo, and for green sauce I have taken mint chutney with mayo. That's it. Our homemade burger is very much ready. Anything made at home is very best. Homemade is always the best. Definitely give it a try. I hope you all liked this video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I will be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.